Hi guys, in this video we'll show you how to properly refill with AdBlue or DEF diesel exhaust fluid on BMW X5 or X6 from 2014 to 2019. We are in a 2015 BMW X5 that needs topping up with AdBlue or diesel exhaust fluid. So if we start the engine, we can see the AdBlue message and AdBlue warning light displayed on the instrument cluster. We can also see the AdBlue, the message on the central display that tells us AdBlue should be refilled at the next opportunity. See owner's handbook. To find out how long can we drive until the AdBlue tank or DEF is empty, or how much we need to top up, we will go to the main menu, and here we select vehicle information. Then we will select vehicle status, and here we select the AdBlue icon. And here we see that we can drive 1006 kilometers until the AdBlue tank is empty, and we have to add 10 liters of AdBlue or DEF liquid. Then we can go to the owner's handbook, and here we write AdBlue or the first letters ADB, and we already see on the right of the screen some AdBlue information. We will go to AdBlue topping up yourself, and at suitable AdBlue we find out that we have to top up with AdBlue liquid with ISO 22241-1 or the one recommended for BMW. So to top up with AdBlue, we will have to open the bonnet, and here you can see the blue cap that says AdBlue. It's on the right side of the engine. So we bought this 5-liter can of AdBlue, which is the one recommended by BMW. It has that ISO 22241-1. It also comes with a filler tube for easier filling. You can find AdBlue liquid or diesel exhaust fluid for BMW below at the link in the video description. So we put the filler tube on the can mouth and pour the AdBlue additive into the tank. We open it by holding the black plastic with the other hand. You can clean that cap. After we finished, we put the AdBlue cap back and check if we still have the message and the indicator light on the dashboard. So we turn the ignition on and see that the message and the warning light have disappeared. Then we can go to the main menu, add vehicle information, vehicle status, and here at AdBlue we see that we have 8,500 kilometers range, and we still need to top up with 5 liters of AdBlue or DEF. So you can drive for 7,000 kilometers with just 5 liters of AdBlue or diesel exhaust fluid. If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, or send me a super thanks.